I think my special order is coming. It's on the way. This guy, he's searching for me. Yes, I can see the Louis Vuitton bag. Hello. Yes, he's looking for me, right?
Yes, yes, Miss Marina.
Marina.
You have your ID to
Yes, sir.
receive this.
1 minute. Yuppie! Finally, I got here. See the amazing packaging. I always appreciate the service of Dubai Mall, that they will deliver everything to me and I don't have to deal with the post office. So, unpacking. Okay, so here I am. I cannot hold myself. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel for one more time. Thank you for watching. I am very excited. I am at my office right now, and actually I have taken part of video when I received my parcel from Louis Vuitton from Dubai Mall, and it's been 2-3 hours that I have been busy and I cannot. I'm just thinking that I want to make unboxing for this item that I bought, because it's something special. It's something that I got it earlier. I think that tomorrow it's going to be released for orders, but I was lucky enough, and I will tell you the story. So here is my huge parcel. First of all, I want to say about my experience while shopping from Dubai Mall. The truth is that I didn't visit the mall and the boutique. I have a very good relationship with my sales assistant in Louis Vuitton, so it was just a kind of chat and call with my sweetie. And thank you so much, Joy, if you see this video. But yes, I have to give her the credits. And then after that, when it goes to whatever we are shopping from Dubai Mall, no need, like in general, when you're ordering from Louis Vuitton online, what they will do, they will just assign a post office or a courier company that they will deliver to you in the classic box, and all, as you know, and you have the experience if you're ordering online. The good thing with Dubai Mall is that they are taking care of each and every order you do and every shopping you do from the mall. When you know what you want from any brand, from any store, they will just take it and deliver to you the same day or maximum the next day, very nicely packed. You can see it. But anyway, my video, it's not to advertise Dubai Mall service, but to make the unboxing of this beautiful piece. I don't know if it's beautiful. Actually, I'm super excited because it's the first time that I have ordered something that I just saw it in a picture, and I don't know even how I will feel and if I will like it. So let's open it. Is there any nice way of opening this bag without So I think that I will have to tear it on. So here it is. Here it is. I will just put this one aside, and I will keep my bag next to me. And just before I will open, I will just prepare you to help you to imagine what is this here. So as you know, I'm a lover and sucker of slings, and I don't know why, but I like so many items from the men's collection. So when I saw the picture of the new limited edition that it's coming for the fall of 2021. I just sent a picture to my SA and I told her, let me know when this will come. I have not seen it in real. I didn't share it in the store because till now it didn't came. It just came one piece, which was for the shop. So they will launch the item in the collection, and I have prepaid from a long time. So when this item came yesterday, she just informed me that the piece is in and I can have it because I paid already. So I don't need to go under the process of ordering. So let's see what I will see. Here's my box, very nice always. And let me see what I have here inside. Oh my god, Joy, the book number 12. So I got one more piece for my collection. This is a catalog, I guess. Yes, of course, all the beautiful new collections of 2021. They are here, and I can see here inside the made of one more new collection that it came in just recently this week. So I will take a look at that later. Very nice, thank you. And my receipt. Are we ready? I don't know even if I'm ready. I don't know even how I will feel, and even I'm stressed about it because it's first time that I'm ordering something that I didn't show it. But if I'm not wrong, I know that I will not regret for my selection. Okay, now what do you think? Okay, so now before I will open, my heart is beating. It's like just like, you know, I feel the excitement, but I just like that feeling. It's about the voyage or the toiletry from the men's collection for the fall 2021, which is called Horizon or Sunset Fall. The Sunset Fall was released in Instagram before almost a month, and I saw the picture and I just said to my essay that I really want this piece. I saw that the colors are so bright, are so different, and I was sure that it will be like better than the previous collection of 2021, the watercolor, which was also very beautiful, and I got it. So actually I'm a sucker of the toiletries, I'm a sucker of all the voyage pieces, the slings, and it's here. And oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. So this is the first piece, came in UAE, and I got here. Now that I see here, I don't regret at all. It's amazing. The colors are gorgeous. I don't regret at all. She's very beautiful. She will be one of my precious pieces. Just take a look at the colors. I What do you think? So it comes in silver hardware, guys, and black trim, of course, because it's from the men's collection. The detail of the monogram is so beautiful in contrast with the colors. Oh wow, I don't know why I didn't order more pieces, but now after this video I will call her and I will say that I really want and the pocket organizer and maybe the keypull. It's stunning, it's very beautiful. Let me check it. So what we have inside? Okay, just that. Nothing else is here. I don't see anything else. Very nice because there is a big pocket on the back side, and as well there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots. Is it visible? I know that my lighting here in my office is not so good, so I hope that you can see it, guys. So smell selfie. So yes, here it is. If you wanted to see it, it's very beautiful. It's really very beautiful. The colors are brighter and more real. Very beautiful combination. I was scared actually, to say the truth. When I saw it, I said that either I will love it or either I will hate it, but it's stunning. So if you're thinking to go for any of the pieces, just consider this collection. I want to say that this collection is not from the yearly limited edition or new collection of Louis Vuitton for the year, but it's capsule collection, so that means that it will be there for special orders, and it will not be for a long time. So if you're getting the chance of getting it, just grab it and keep it in your collection. It is very beautiful. So real unboxing today. Finally, I'm so satisfied and very happy. Hope you like it as well. Thank you so much for watching. By next week I'm going to have one more unboxing that I'm waiting, again from 2021 collection, and hopefully that I will love it as well because it's a new piece, and again from men's collection. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video and if you like us to be together, so you can follow my videos, the new items coming, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, and more items to come. Just like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's stay together. Thank you so much again. Have a lovely week. Take care. Bye bye.